Just want to do a quick tutorial on how to record multiple sources on the Zoom H4n. And the first thing you need to do is actually go in and set the menu up so that you can record stereo into the microphone inputs on the bottom of the recorder. To do that, you hit the menu button on the side and use the scroll wheel to go to input. The scroll wheel is also a button, and if you push that, you can scroll down to 1-2 link. You want to keep that off, and you can simply set that in the menu. You can hit menu to exit out. There's multiple ways you can actually record with this recorder, using the built-in microphones or using inputs 1 and 2 on the bottom. And if you simply press the button to select, you change from the built-in mics to the microphone inputs on the bottom. These two inputs are XLR mic ins or 1/4 inch unbalanced line ins, but you won't find unbalanced coming from boards and mixers. This is a line source plugged into the mic inputs with the input levels turned way down. So on the meters it looks like everything's fine, but if you listen to it, it sounds really terrible. One thing about this recorder, you have to hit record to see levels, and to change levels, you select them and adjust them on the side button. So even if we turn it all the way down to where it looks like maybe something looks like it's under 0, it still sounds terrible. And we'll go ahead and record just a piece of that. It sounds absolutely horrendous. We have to take this incoming signal from a line signal and make it a mic signal so the recorder knows what to do with it. So to get line levels into the H4n, you need to use something like this, which is just an inline attenuator made by Shure. And there's a line level input on this side, which is a female XLR. Just plug whatever your feed is into this side. And you can plug this either into another cable or directly into the recorder. So with the attenuators plugged in, we can go ahead and plug in our line signal. So to set input levels on the H4n, you want to hit record once. The ring around the record button will flash, which tells you it's not recording, you're simply passing signal to the device. To adjust left and right tracks, simply hit the 1 or 2 button and then use the record level key on the side of it to move it up or down. You always want to leave a little bit of headroom. If you're cranking it because you want it to be as loud as possible, you're going to clip, and that's going to sound terrible. You'll notice that the button for the input number will flash if you're clipping. So all you have to do is hit it and adjust the level up or down and hit record.